characteristics of the current economic crisis, what Sri Lanka is undergone now. So that you can see here the Sri Lankan situation. Of course, the main variables, if we take here, that you can see, number one is the quarterly growth rate of economy, the GDP. You can see the last year, as I explained earlier, there was a huge negative growth, 16% negative growth in the second quarter of the 2020. That adversely affected on our economy. So as a result, what had happened, the later economic growth rate also came down. And not only that, our per capita income started reducing. Of course, you might have heard in 2018, the Sri Lanka entered into upper middle income country group. But as a result of this lockdown and our GDP growth rate became negative, now we had to move again to the growth rate where the per capita income, which belonged to the lower middle income country group. We were in upper middle income country group when it was over 4,000 per capita US dollars. Now we are below the per capita income level. So therefore, last 2 years, again, we had to go back to the lower middle income country group. So only 2 years we could be in the upper middle income country group. So COVID-19 is one of the major events behind this movement of Sri Lanka. And the unemployment rate, as we understood, when the GDP growth rate is negative, usually unemployment rate going up. So we know that there is a Okun's law in economics that according to that law, when the GDP coming down, unemployment rate is rising. In other words, if but here the unemployment rate has increased up to the level of 6%. It is a little bit higher level in comparison to Sri Lanka. Then another character of the ongoing economic crisis in Sri Lanka is the higher inflation. Higher inflation due to the shortage of supply. Due to the shortage of supply, you can see basically this inflation rate has gone into 6%, above 6% above the inflation rate has gone in. So that is also one character of ongoing economic crisis. Now, I hope that you can understand what is economic crisis. Earlier, I defined growth rate become negative, per capita income coming down, unemployment rate is going up, and inflation rate is going up. So that's why we call currently Sri Lanka is in economic crisis. So with that one, if I go into further analysis of this inflation, the price level going up, due to various reasons, the price level is going up. The one reason is food prices rising. The last month, actually, the Sri Lanka's basic issue was the demand for food, of course, increased, while the supply of, there were shortage. There were shortages in supply of, because of the, there are barriers, distributional barriers, even global ports, airports are affected. The imported food items, supply issues are there. Local production, distributional issues are also there. So therefore, the food prices has gone up rapidly in Sri Lanka. Particularly, you can see when when there is a lockdown, how the food prices going up. Now you can see this is a good example because in last year when we locked down, before we locked down, the price of carrot was 190. After a lockdown, it was 300. So when country locked down, the food prices are usually going up. So that was affected during that period. So therefore, distributional issues, production issues, and health crisis has made the various kind of inflationary situation to the Sri Lanka.